video camera last night so I can prove to Mom and Dad that the evil monkey is real, and I want to see what I got. Huh, nothing. All right, it's time to play rough.
You wanted to see me?
Yes, yes, come in. Close the door. Take a look at this, Brian. Recognize him, Brian?
No.
It's your brother. I found him for you, buddy.
What? Jerry? That's amazing. Can he hear me? Hi, Jerry. What's that big thing around his neck?
Oh, I'll show you.
Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! What did you do?
I killed him, Brian, and he's the lucky one. He went quickly. There were 9 dogs in that litter. Now, are you gonna help me get those Hannah Montana tickets?
Stewie, you're not gonna be able to get tickets. It's like the biggest thing in town. It's sold out.
Then you are gonna help me find a way to get in.
Okay, I'll help you.
Excellent.
Wait, you managed to hunt down 8 dogs that were born years ago on a farm in Texas, and you can't manage to get Hannah Montana tickets?
That's what I said. Hi, we're on the list.
Names?
Stewie Griffin and Kanye West?
Yo.
You don't look like Kanye West.
That's what I said.
No, I'm him.
Then sing one of your songs.
Freddie Sanford and his son, Freddie Sanford, in a junkyard having fun. What the devil will they screw up next?
You are Kanye West!
Okay, now remember to play it cool. Act like you belong here. Oh my God, Miley, I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm your biggest fan. Can I touch your hair? Ah!
Who are you guys? How did you get back here?
Look, I'm really sorry about this. This is my friend Stewie. He's just a baby, and he's your biggest fan, and he has cancer.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, he's got a tumor in his head the size of a football.
I think I can see it. Well, in that case, I wouldn't feel right about throwing you out. Especially if you're my biggest fan. Stay here. You can watch the show from backstage, and afterwards, we'll all hang out.
Sweet Niblets, this is the greatest day of my life!
Sweet Niblets?
Yeah, Sweet Niblets. That's her catchphrase, Sweet Niblets. Say it. Say it back to me.
What?
Say Sweet Niblets!
Sweet Niblets.
Oh, that wasn't so hard, was it? I can't believe I'm sitting here with you, Miley Cyrus. It's like I'm in a dream.
Well, that makes me happy, Stewie.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just writing some new lyrics.
Oh, you write your own lyrics?
Yeah.
So do I.
Oh, you wrote a song? Look at you. You're a regular little Tim McGraw.
I'm a little better than Tim McGraw.
Hey, these are pretty good, Stewie.
Really? Do you think you could sing them?
Only if you sing with me. That we've got what it takes to be very best friends. Friendship is the best thing ever, except for best friendship, which is a little better.
You mean a lot better.
I mean a lot better.
Now we're friends, yes it's true, but no one else can friend me like you.
Friendship is the best thing ever, except for best friendship, which is a